Guys, welcome to channel Chums Corner. Before starting the vlog, I would like to tell you guys that I haven't vlogged much, but these are some videos I vlogged some days ago. I love to document my life, especially when I'm traveling. I just love to capture the nature and the beautiful moments and show it you guys. So, I hope you enjoy the vlog and recommend me different types of vlogs you guys would like to see. Okay, enough. Let's start the video.
I visited Nehru Planetarium. I was so thrilled to visit the planetarium, even though I have visited the planetarium when I was little and had a faint memories of it. But I was still exhilarated to visit the planetarium again. It was so fascinating to see how much we have evolved to discover the vast and beautiful world beyond our Earth. Space is so incredible. To know more about the planets and our humongous universe, I always wanted to visit Nehru Planetarium again. Before going to the Sky Theatre, there were so many fun things to do in the planetarium. The show we saw was the biography of the universe. The show was marvelous. It is a must visit.
सिद्धांतानुसार बर्फाळ स्फटिकांनी बनलेल्या धूमकेतूंच्या आघातांमुळे पृथ्वीवरील पाण्याचे साठे निर्माण झाले असावेत. अंतराळातून जर तुम्हाला आपल्या ग्रहाचा जन्म बघता आला असता तर कदाचित तो असा दिसला असता. आपल्या सूर्यमालेचं घनीकरण होण्याची प्रक्रिया 4.5 अब्ज वर्षांपूर्वी सुरू झाली. साधारण 2000 कोटी वर्षांनंतर पृथ्वी अस्तित्वात आली. 3000 लाख वर्षांनंतर पृथ्वीवर वातावरण आणि महासागर निर्माण झाले. नंतर 5000 लाख वर्ष गेली आणि निळसर हिरवट शेवाळाच्या रूपात प्राथमिक अवस्थेतील सजीव सृष्टी अवतरली. 5000 लाख वर्षांनंतर जीवाणू आणि साध्या वनस्पती अस्तित्वात आल्या. नंतर अब्जावधी वर्षांच्या कालावधीत अधिकाधिक गुंतागुंतीची रचना असलेल्या सूक्ष्म जीवांची उत्क्रांती होत गेली, आधी समुद्रात आणि नंतर जमिनीवर.
Karnala Bird Sanctuary. It is the first bird sanctuary in Maharashtra, located in Panvel Taluka of Raigad district. Because we came very early by 7 am, there weren't any tourists. So it was just us in the breezy air, melodious sounds of birds chirping. Vidisha, ikde bak. There were a lot of monkeys, so I was a little scared to shoot the video. We were walking towards the Karnala fort, but we didn't really went till the top. The environment was super soothing, settled, and quiet, so it felt really serene. There is this quote on Pinterest which I love a lot and I want to share with you guys. Trees are poems that the earth writes upon the sky. Just sitting and listening to the tuneful chirping sounds of birds and admiring the nature, it was legit a therapy. It was definitely worth it. Going in the forest and no bustling cities, crowded people, just the nature and family.